Model K4-1224. Computerized 5-color Flexo printing, slotting, die cutting vibrator, and auto stacker machine. 1 die cutting for 3. From the market research, the demand of packaging for beer, mineral water, and beverages is increasing, while the corporate labor cost is growing rapidly. That makes the carton machinery automatic and intelligent become the inevitable trend. Aim at special shape carton packaging like milk and beverages. It takes advantage of die cutting, 1:3 process, triple in production capacity, economic and durable, applicable widely, owns the biggest market share. The machine combined with auto feeding, printing, slotting, die cutting, vibrating, auto line transportation and stacking, converting corrugate board into carton, able to produce 3 different or same product one time. It can add countering function to meet customer requirements, countering, stacking, and the following PE or PP strapping as per order quantity setting. Also can deliver by pallet to the following film wrapping. Machine features. Using high-quality raw material and parts, this machine is designed and made to high quality, high efficiency, and safe standard. Adopt advanced technologies. Full set of electronic control system from Europe and Japan. Multiple languages operating system can be set. The phrase and lateral movement in each unit controlled by PLC. Gap adjustment with wheel self-locking structure. Quick order changing, easy to operation. Auto to 0, auto reset. Maximum speed, 250 pieces per minute. Economic speed, 200 to 220 pieces per minute.